Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. In today's recipe we'll be making Nigerian buns. So this is the crunchy type of Nigerian buns, and this recipe is so delicious. First, I'll add in flour. I'll use 2.5 cups of flour and I'll sift it in. It's important to sift in your flour. That way it will be easy for all your ingredients to mix in well, because we'll not be needing this. And I'll add in salt. I'll also add in baking powder. This will give it that crunch. Now I'll add in sugar. You can use the quantity of sugar you want. I also added in milk flavor. You can get this milk flavor from the shops where you buy the flour. And this milk flavor adds a very good taste to this Nigerian buns. I'm mixing this all in now to combine together, all the dry ingredients to come in together. I'll make a well in the bowl and I will break in 1 egg. Why I'm breaking this egg in a separate bowl? Because I don't want any of its shell in the recipe. I'll whisk it in and I'll pour it into the dry ingredients. I also add in melted butter. This will be easier to work with than the solid ones. I will mix this in, mix it all in so that they all come in together. We'll not be needing this at all. Now I'll come in with water. I'll be adding gradually because I'm looking for a certain consistency and I don't want it to get watery. So I'll add in gradually and I'll keep mixing in till I get to the consistency we are looking for. In total, I added 100 grams of water to this. That's about half glass cup of water. Here we are. This is the consistency we are looking for. It's not runny, it's not watery. I'll just bring it together and I'll cover this with my cling film. You can use your kitchen towel to cover this. I'll leave it on my counter to rest for 20 minutes before getting back to it. And this is 20 minutes later. I'll quickly remove the cling film, and when you touch it at this point, is softer than when you left it. Then in my dry pan on heat, I'll add in vegetable oil. I washed my hands, it's dabbed with water. I'll pick a little portion of this dough and drop it into the oil to know when the oil is hot enough for it. You can see it's sinking. That's to tell me it's not yet ready, and now it's floating. This is what we are looking out for. And I'll add in the dough little by little. I'm not really making a ball because I don't want it in a ball shape. I want it to fry and I'll see lots of crunch around the buns. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but you get to see it when it's ready. I'll be frying this for 3 minutes and I'll flip it to the other side and fry for additional 2 minutes. We've been frying on medium heat. If your oil is not hot enough, this will soak up lots of oil, and if it's too hot, it will burn without the inside cooking well enough. So medium heat is the best, but you have to be checking it to know when you need to reduce the heat or when you need to increase the heat. And this is our buns ready. Here beside it is my ready serviette paper, because I'll be bringing this out in the serviette paper to drain out some of its oil. This doesn't contain lots of oil like the puff we know. I tell you, this buns is so delicious. You can have it for lunch, you can add it to your children's lunch bag, you can have it as a family. And now I'm doing the second batch. You can see this one flipping to the other side. That's what most of it will do. And here we are ready All the batches have been fried, and look at how crunchy this is. This is so yummy. It's something you want to try. And look at the inside, and it's so delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much. I hope you'll try this and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.